G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Who doesn't love chicken and mushrooms? They go so well together, and when you top it off with some cheese, it's even better. So join me today as I make my version of chicken parmesan stuffed mushrooms. Okay, now I'm going to start this off with some cooked chicken. Now you can cook the chicken yourself, but I've just bought like a barbecue chicken from the shops. So much easier, so much quicker, and really does cut down on the time for preparation. So you can use any type of cooked chicken that you like. If you want to do it at home, I'd recommend breast chicken, which is exactly what this is from the chicken that I've purchased from the shops. Now it's a bit hard to talk about exact sizes or how much because it comes down to the size of the mushroom. So I've placed our cooked roast chicken into a bowl. Now to that I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of pizza sauce, or you can also use your favorite marinara sauce. It just comes down to personal taste. But honestly, pizza sauce does really taste fantastic. And then to that, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese that I've shredded. And just give that a very good mix through until it's all combined. Now you can add a little bit of salt to this, but I like to do that at the end on top of the mushroom. But you'll find that there's already enough salt in the sauce itself. Unless you make your own sauce, of course. So there's no real need to add extra salt because, well, there's already enough in there as it is. Okay, so I've got our mushroom here, and as you can see, it's a pretty sizable one. So I'm just going to remove the stem. Now you can chop it up and use it if you like. I just choose not to for this particular recipe. And I find the bigger the mushrooms, the harder the stem gets. So just going to scrape out the innards, not too much, just all the black stuff. Now I highly recommend placing all this extra stuff into a compost bin because it's fantastic stuff. And my compost bin will love it. So it really is just a simple matter of placing in our mixture into our holdout mushroom and then simply top it off with some mozzarella cheese, of course shredded. And that's it. Now we're going to place this into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 17 minutes, basically when it's nice and warm and the cheese is nicely melted. And would you look at how delicious that chicken parmesan stuffed mushroom has come out. It smells delicious, it looks delicious, and you know what? It is delicious. Literally took just a couple of minutes to prepare. It is incredibly simple but incredibly tasty. Depending on the sauce you use, it's also incredibly healthy too. So you can have it as a side with the smaller ones, you can have it as a meal with the bigger ones, but either way it's going to taste simply delish.